I just took this trade literally seconds ago. I went long on what originally was a green bar after this red bar. Literally just got back from dropping off my son at school. And as you can see, this turned into a huge rally. I was about to set my profit-taking stop to the upper Keltner channel, but before I could even do that, pricing just exploded to the upside, up above the upper profit pivot line here. And as you can see, we have a smart money dot, so I think they're putting in a top here. So I'm going to hit the flatten button right now. Oops, I gotta turn off my marker. Hit flatten. Boom. And turn my marker back on. And here's the result of that effort. So $1,350 for about 45 seconds worth of work, which is what I really like. So anyway, that's it. When you get a hit like that in the morning, it's usually God's way of telling you it's time to take the rest of the day off. So that's what I'm doing. All right, over and out from Bill. Once again, love to have you join the Wave Rider Club, learn how to use the signals, and trade along with us and have lots of fun. Okay? I'll see you later. Bye.